we are touring the Bugatti, and I don't mean the Bugatti, the car company that you know. The developer actually took it a notch higher to wanting to bring the idea of a Bugatti into units of apartments. So over here we have 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartment. Now this is Bugatti 1, which is sold out. This is Bugatti 2, sold out. We only have units of 2 bed available for sale in Bugatti 3, right? So before I take you through a detailed tour of this property, if you're new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe, comment, share, and let's keep the conversation going. Welcome home. Right, so this is Orange Island, and there are a lot of housing development in this area. It's like an extension of Lekki Phase 1, yeah. So let's look at the sample unit to see what the development in Bugatti 3 will look like. So when you enter, this is the car park. The ground floor will be the car park. This is the reception. So when people come to look for you, or maybe, you know, any inquiries can be made via this section. So we have the car park on the ground floor. So let's just go straight to the sample units. Okay, so of course the project is going to have elevator and staircase. So you can use either the staircase or the elevator to access the units. So for the off-plan project, the 2 bed is at 270 million. So this is a showroom, so you can see what the units will look like. So this is where the elevator is going to be. So welcome home. So this is what it looks like. You have your dining section over here. Please note that this unit comes unfurnished, but it comes fully finished. But if you want the developer to do something like this for yours, of course, you can have a conversation on that. So you have the visitors toilet over here. So this is another view. And this is quite spacious. So let's look at the kitchen before we go take a look at the rooms. So this is the kitchen. Have this glass door. So this is the kitchen. You have your oven, you have your microwave, and you also have your washing machine. So this unit is coming at a pre-launch offer of 270 million. 270 million. And of course, there's payment plan. This door leads you to the balcony for the kitchen. Like I was saying, there's a payment plan for this project. As long as it's an off-plan project, there's always payment plan because they expect you to pay throughout the construction process. Every other detail will be in the description. This is one of the rooms. Whoever designed this did a beautiful job. Don't you think so? Okay, so you have your balcony too. There's a balcony here. There's a balcony here, which also extends to the sitting area. Okay, so you have the bathroom over here. Have your walk-in shower. I like that there's space here too. Okay, let's go to the other room. This is your wardrobe. The other room is this way. So yeah, this is the other room. Let me go here so you can have the full view. Okay, so it's just a very small closet here. Okay, so bathroom is this way. Bathroom is this way. So let me know what you think of this project. Remember, two bed is going for 270. The three bed is actually sold out. So if this looks like what you want to get in the heart of Lekki Phase 1, please do well to give me a call. Every other detail you need will be in the description. Um, yeah,